ISAC is integrated sensing and communication. For the first time, a cellular network has a beyond communications use case. This is where we take a cellular network and we turn it into a sensing network. Think of the cellular network as a radar that can detect objects and drones in a brand new use case for cellular.
What you're really going to see is the opportunity to bridge together the physical and digital world.
Today is the first day on which we are starting to think about wireless network as also a nationwide sensing grid. And we're actually saying, no, let's start introducing this on the existing infrastructure, on this existing 5G network.
And when sensing came, I felt extremely excited. This is the first time since the born of actually mobile telecommunication that it becomes a new platform.